Hello and welcome back to the Paul Mitchell Pro YouTube channel. Casey Lail here with John Paul Mitchell Systems, and today I'm so excited. I'm coming to you from my home and I'm excited to reveal an unboxing video with you. That is right, I have some brand new Paul Mitchell products in this box and I am just so thrilled to be opening them, going through them with you and showing you what it is. So let's take a peek inside. First things first, gotta get the scissors. Okay, let's go in there and go ahead and open this up. You can kind of see it. There we go. All right. Got her open. She got a little damage in the mail, but that's okay. I am so excited. All right. You don't need that. Guys, no. I have the new Tea Tree Hemp. I have the new Tea Tree Hemp and I am so thrilled to be sharing it with you. Okay, so let's just get started. I'm just gonna pull them out and we'll go one by one. First out of the box, we are going to have the Tea Tree Hemp Restoring Shampoo and Body Wash. Look at that lovely, lovely green packaging. You can see straight out of the box, so it does still have the tape on there to keep the lid closed. So I will give you a prettier shot of this bottle. So our Tea Tree Hemp Restoring Shampoo and Body Wash is going to be a 2-in-1, so you can use it on your hair and you can use it on your body. And you're going to gently cleanse hair and skin with this creamy multitasking lather. Hydrating hemp extract soothes and moisturizes, and a gentle tingle refreshes from head to toe. Indulges the senses with a balancing nature immersive fragrance. That is so amazing. And it does say, of course, to apply to damp hair and skin, lather and rinse completely. So here I am taking the plastic off and I just want to smell it. Of course, if I'm doing an unboxing, we have new products. We already know that the Tea Tree products do smell so good and so earthy already that I have to smell this brand new product, of course. So, honestly, it reminds me of the holidays, in a good way. It just smells like a good scent. I know that they do have bergamot in there, or bergamot, I may be saying that wrong, scent in there. It's true to tea tree, I believe. Just that very good, clean, earthy, happy smell that's going to be gender neutral. So anybody can use these products and still feel that they smell really good. I don't want to stop smelling it, to be honest with you. Awesome, awesome. So yeah, if I can use this on my hair and my body, I'm gonna be smelling super fresh. Okay, so next thing we are going to pull out of the box is going to be the Tea Tree Hemp Restoring Conditioner and Body Lotion. So again, I'm thinking that this is really cool for travel because now it's less bottles that you have to pack because you have your shampoo with your body wash and your conditioner with a lotion. That's less to have to worry to travel with. And so it is going to be the same size as the shampoo and the body wash, which was a 10.14 fluid ounces. And it's also, of course, going to be that 2-in-1 again. It still has the plastic on there. Of course, truly pulling it out of the box, guys. Let me tell you a little bit about the Tea Tree Hemp Restoring Conditioner and Body Lotion. So, the Restoring Conditioner and Body Lotion, you're going to restore hair and skin in one simple step. Hemp seed oil and hemp extract hydrate from head to toe, indulges the senses with a balancing, nature immersive fragrance. So directions for hair: apply to clean, damp hair, massage, leave on for up to 2 minutes, rinse hair completely. For skin, apply to damp skin, can be rinsed off or left on skin for added hydration. So another thing that is so great when using the Tea Tree products is that, of course, they're going to be gluten-free And also it is going to be made from 100% post-consumer recycled plastics. I think that's amazing. And of course, the Tea Tree commitment to planting 1 million trees. I find that to be so amazing and just so true to the John Paul Mitchell Systems Tea Tree brand in and of itself. So to have a new extension of Tea Tree, you know, of course we have our lavender mint, our special color, our special, we have the lemon sage, we have the anti-thinning, all of these different categories we have in Tea Tree. Now we have the brand new Tea Tree Hemp, and I just think that that's so cool. So I'm assuming that yes, the conditioner smells just like the shampoo, which again is just a good, just like happy fragrance. Like you smell it and you're happy. Like if happiness is in a bottle, this is what it smells like, but like in like a warm way. Again, holidays. All right, so again, that was our Tea Tree Hemp conditioner, the restoring conditioner and body lotion. All right, what are we gonna pull out next? It's going to be the Tea Tree Hemp Multitasking Spray. Here it is. You can see, of course, that it does have a spray pump top to it. So I'm just going to like spray it, I guess, on my hand. I've got to get some product. There we go. You can see it has my spray to it with the lid, of course, and it is going to be an all-in-one step prep. So with the multitasking spray, it is going to hydrate and detangle hair while adding soft style memory. This do-it-all spray with hemp seed oil and hemp extract soothes stressed strands, manages frizz, and adds shine with a balancing nature immersive fragrance. And of course, it is going to be gluten-free as well. And then of course, all of these products are going to be made 100% with post-consumer recycled plastic. Now, the directions for this are going to be to apply a small amount to clean, damp hair, concentrating on the mid, lengths, and ends. Air dry for a natural look or blow dry for added polish and shine. Use sparingly on finer hair textures. So I'm loving that we have this multitasking spray. I think it's going to be fabulous behind the chair for those detangles and adding that softness and memory. I think that's a huge thing too, especially whenever you know you're going to do a lovely style afterwards, a lovely blowout, or even like curl memory, all of those things. The Tea Tree Hemp Multitasking Spray, I have a feeling it's probably going to be a big seller. Now the smell of it is going to smell just like the rest of it. It's going to have that nice warm scent to it as well. I'm loving it. Now the size of this is going to be 6.8 fluid ounces. Again, 6.8 fluid ounces on that. All right, and then we also have out of the box is going to be the Tea Tree Hemp Multitasking Hair and Body Oil. So the Tea Tree Hemp Multitasking Hair and Body Oil, as you can see there, it's going to be a 2-in-1 moisture balance. It says to give hair and skin a boost of hydration with this head-to-toe hydrator. Hemp seed oil soothes, softens, and adds shine, while the nature immersive fragrance indulges the senses. Directions: massage into skin and apply to clean, damp hair. Style as usual. So I definitely see this being, oh my gosh, I'm dropping products. This is a true unboxing, guys. Oh my gosh. So I definitely see this being a huge seller within our Tea Tree brand. I feel like all of our oils as a company just do really, really well. I think that we're really well at just creating good, high quality oils. And it does, of course, probably still have that same tea tree smell. So you can see here how the top is. I'm going to pump a little bit out into my hand. There we go. So it's nice and clear. I'm gonna put some on my skin and just like let you know how my skin feels. Some of my cuticles here as well. You can see, I feel like it's starting to really absorb into the skin nicely. Probably not the best to like put stuff on my hands when they're like through thumb holes, but you know, we get the picture, right? So with the oil, it is going to be a 1.7 fluid ounce in size, 1.7 fluid ounce in size. So what I have left in this box are going to just be doubles of what I've already showed you. So of course I have the conditioner again, and I also have the shampoo and the body wash. Again, that was the conditioner with the lotion. And then I have the hair and body oil again, as well as the multitasking spray. So thank you so much, John Paul Mitchell Systems, for sending me this box filled with all of these wonderful, 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 brand spanking new, hitting the shelves soon for all stylists to use. The brand new Tea Tree Hemp brand. I have enjoyed getting to smell it, and I cannot wait to actually get to really and truly use it behind the chair and show my guests just how amazing it is and get a really good feel for this brand new brand within Tea Tree. So thanks so much for joining me on my unboxing today of new product with John Paul Mitchell Systems. This is Casey Lail, and I will see you next time on the Paul Mitchell Pro YouTube channel.